Do you want to know where the rich are investing in 2025? No, not in some new coin. No, not in AI stocks either. Actually, it's something so simple you wouldn't even think of. Because the wealthy don't look for new ways to grow money, they already own the path. And in this video, I'll show you which direction they're pointing that path in 2025. Spoiler, this time it's not digital fantasies. Solid, tangible foundations are winning. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Here, you're not just learning how to get rich, you're learning how not to get scammed too. From digital back to real assets. For a long time, the rich were all about digital investments, crypto, NFTs, metaverse. But in 2025, things changed. Why? Because digital wealth looks nice on paper, but it doesn't pay rent or energy bills when a crisis hits. Today, about 63% of ultra-wealthy investors are shifting to physical assets like real estate, energy, and food. So instead of a metaverse villa, they're buying actual land and warehouses. In short, the game has changed. Wealth now values resilience, not hype, infrastructure over real estate. Regular real estate is old news. In 2025 is infrastructure that's booming. Roads, energy grids, data centers. The ultra-rich aren't asking, where is money going? They're asking, where is the data flowing? Because the world now runs on energy and information. Google invests in energy plants, not just apartments. The rich aren't buying homes, they're building the system. Agriculture and food, the oldest industry, the newest gains. Every crisis teaches the same lesson. No food, no nothing else matters. In 2025, the wealthy are returning to agriculture, but not in the old-fashioned way. Smart vertical farms, lab-grown meat, food tech innovations. Basically, the rich aren't making money from the stock market anymore. They're making it from the ground. Ironically, while everyone's asking, which coin should I buy? Jeff Bezos was quietly buying farmland. Energy. The new gold energy is the silent winner of 2025. The rich see not carbon footprint, but carbon opportunity. Electric cars, solar panels, battery storage. The real profit isn't being eco-friendly. It's controlling the supply everyone depends on, literally. That's why big investment reports don't say green energy. They say energy infrastructure. The wealthy aren't saving the planet. They're renting its future. Knowledge and AI. The new form of capital. Yes, digital hasn't died, but it's no longer about metaverse dreams, but it's about data. The wealthy use AI not just as a tool, but as an investment advisor. Their own AI models, proprietary datasets, basically they're building their own knowledge economy. In 2025, information is more valuable than gold because having the right data prevents bad investments. The rich know this. The middle class is still asking, which coin should I buy? The end of flashy spending. Era of silent wealth. Wealth is now quiet. It's not about luxury cars anymore, it's about secret funds. The rich have gone silent in 2025. Look at me, I have money is out. Look at my system is in. That's why there are people quietly managing $500 million funds who aren't on Forbes lists. The rich have stopped talking because the loudest sound money makes is silence. The wealthy don't guess. They understand the system and make it work for them. In 2025, the winners won't be chasing digital dreams. They'll be investing in real foundations. Stop playing the game blindly. Start learning the rules. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe, because in the next video, you'll see how wealth can be way simpler than you think. Knowledge is the new capital.